Are you feeling okay, Alex? Usually you don't lie down in the mornings. I need a pillow and a blankie. Is Mayor Humdinger running because his pants are broken?
You mean his robot pants?
His robot pants are broken. Alex, is he running? What are these shenanigans?
Let's move! Why not?
Who is that guy in our bird feeder?
Perfect.
Who was that?
Our friend Squirrel.
Is it okay for squirrels to have birdseed?
Only if there's still love.
Yeah, if we leave some for the birds, right? Why are we going to school on a Thursday or Wednesday at 3:22 p.m.? We're going to go meet his new teacher. Look at this cool kid. Hey Daniel, what are you?
DJ Sports.
He was saying, I'm a hungry monster a second ago. He just didn't realize that he had to sit down to eat food.
Siéntese ya.
It's not okay.
Deje de tocar y jalar y climb, montarse por todo lado. Siéntese